Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Monument48 Tankcraft. Today, this is part 2 of Dubstep Ringtones. If you haven't checked out part 1, I'll leave a link in the description down below. But in the meantime, make sure you go subscribe, hit the like button, make sure you slap the bell. Alright? Now, in the last video, we had left off at Let Me Take a Selfie. Now this video, we're going to start off with Fist of the Decade, okay? So, after this video, make sure you guys go down below, comment your favorite one of part 1 and part 2, okay? Okay, next one is Sucker Punch. Okay, that's it for that one. Next one is Super Mario. There you go. Now this next one, we have 3 more left, and this is this next one is called Cougar. Oh, I hate when it asks. Let's restart that. Okay, next one, second to the last, is called Fire. Fire. Now, last but not least, the one and only, the ground shake.
The ground shake.
Yeah, Yep. Hey, ground shake. Hey. Okay, out of this whole video, well, out of both videos, my most favorite one is, well, I have 2 favorite ones actually. Is actually Let Me Take a Selfie.
First, let me take a selfie.
Okay, and my second favorite one is the ground shake. I love this one. Ground shake. Yup. Make the ground shake, shake, shake. Make the ground shake, shake, shake. Make the ground shake, shake, shake. Make the ground shake. Hey. Okay, well that was it for this video. Before we go, I got one thing, and I need you guys to help. Make sure you guys hit 100 likes for more videos like this, okay? That's a challenge, okay? If we can get at least 100 likes or 50 views, then I'll do more videos like this, okay? So, make sure you go, subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and comment your favorite ringtone, okay? From part 1 and 2, okay? See you guys later. Be easy.